This Ranger reminds me of my brother's 84. He had a 302 small block Ford swapped in it with a C6, a fat carb, and it was just nasty. Had a good cam. It was a lot of fun, a lot of good memories. So this Ranger really makes me want to do that. On the flip side, it has a clean title. It's a stick shift. It'd be a very quick sell with some profit. So I have a lot to think about, but if you have any ideas, put them in the comments. I'd really like to do something cool with this Ranger. I even considered doing a down and dirty quick paint job. I'm talking basic sanding, throw on some primer and paint and call it a day. It kind of makes me want to do something to show it some respect because it is such a clean little body, but we'll see. Well, the truck is towing great. Just so everybody knows, it is lowered 4 inches in the rear, 3 in the front on spindles, and then lower and shackle and perch. Has factory springs and towing package. But the back of this truck with a little bit of weight appears to be really weighed down, but it in fact is not. So if I regret anything about the truck, it's dropping the rear so aggressive. But it is what it is. It looks good. It tows fantastic. When we get this Jeep Wagoneer on here, we're really going to be seeing what she does just with it being lowered. So I may use our Lincoln. I have a 3.5 EcoBoost Navigator. So we'll get back on the road. Had to check my straps. Half the key cylinder, they took them out in their yard so they didn't get stolen. So I've got the key cylinder and the keys and the title, and this is a AC truck, 4-speed overdrive, 5-speed. That's fantastic. I can't get over it. It looks like 109 or 90, 109,000. Nice. I'm a happy camper. I just put some rat stuff in here just to be safe. Keys.
Baby, please.